The good folks at BugMD sent us this package for our review. We've tried a lot of BugMD products in the past. Most of them were kind of those ones that you would plug in, the zappers and things like that. But this is our first time trying out their pest control liquid form, right? So what I love about this package is that they give you this empty bottle, this empty spray bottle. All you need to do is add water, and then you'll add the entirety of this content right here. I think it's great because once you're ready to replenish, all you need is a little bottle. Great for the environment, in my opinion. So we're gonna do that. I've already have 27 ounces of water in here, and all I'm gonna do is literally put the entirety of this little bottle into my bigger bottle, and then we'll be able to spray so many different things. This will kill bugs and all sorts of insects on contact. So we got to be careful. Oh, it's actually a little thicker than I thought. That's a good sign. And there we go. I just want to see what it smells like. It actually smells nice. It actually smells nice, and this is for probably a really good reason, because this thing is great. I'm gonna just let you know, and I have to read this because they actually give you a really nice booklet that explains everything that you can do with this now spray bottle. So you can actually use it directly on flying insects, as you would expect. You could use it as treatment in cupboards and pantries. So obviously clear everything and douse it in with this liquid, let it dry, and then you can use the pantry again, and it will be free of all those nasty bugs. You could use it as spider treatment, which is great in corners and attics, in anywhere really where you have spiders. What I really like is you can also use it as flea and tick killers for pet carrier things. So pet beds, or because this is safe for pets as well. Obviously, not directly on your pet, but if you are, treating an area where your pet is going to be, let it dry, and then the pet can be reintroduced in that environment. It also can be used in bedding treatments. So if you have those bed bugs and things like that, you can literally use it on your bed. And again, it smells fantastic. All you would need after that is just to vacuum it out, or use those brushes on top of the bedding as well. And you can use that. And you could do it topical, which is crazy to me. That's pretty cool as well. So literally on the skin, so it is safe for that. Spray for cats, lawn treatment, which I know a lot of people have this problem with. You've got those ticks, you've got those larvas that are growing on your lawn, on anywhere really in your garden. You can use this really nice stick. And as you can see in the B-roll, very easy to just spray. I will be using this as a general spray, like they say. You get into the middle of a room and you literally spray for 10 seconds and let it fall down, and it will literally just get rid of all those mosquitoes around your room. So this thing by BugMD is fantastic, smells great, and it's going to work even better.